Accenture and NMIS have agreed a partnership today, so we're now official partners of NMIS. We're here today to celebrate the partnership and to have a look around the facility and start to talk about how we can work together.
I was lucky enough to go around the shop floor this morning and just to hear the engineers talk about what they're doing with such passion and enthusiasm and knowledge was just inspirational.
I think it's a marvellous collaboration potential here between what we want to do and what NMIS wants to do, both in Scotland and within the UK.
The opportunities we see here in Scotland are around the talent, the university, the businesses, the national resources, the fact that Scotland is positioning itself to be the satellite capital of Europe, the net zero wind transition, and the large-scale manufacturing clients you have.
Where we are focusing on at NMIS is very much at process level, so we have very complementary capabilities and we can really leverage those complementary capabilities to support the manufacturing community in a more meaningful way.